White balance is a camera setting that adjusts the color balance of the light you're shooting in. Using the right white balance setting will eliminate unwanted color casts that can ruin your image and make it appear unnatural. This is a brief walkthrough of your GoPro white balance settings. Start by clicking here in the GoPro app and then click here. From here, turn on the white balance setting to match the light that you're shooting in. This is with the GoPro 7 using the Pro Tune with the white balance set at 6500. White balance 5000. White balance 2300. White balance 4000. White balance 4500. White balance native. White balance set to auto. And here is each of those settings stitched together in one composite so you can contrast them easily in one place. And even more importantly, under one lighting condition. Be sure to test these out in the lighting conditions you tend to shoot in so you can figure out what settings work best. Here I've rearranged the colors so you can see the subtle differences as you move up and down the spectrum. Let me know if you have a favorite setting in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.